So this is a math problem for of the month March. This is a question for year 3 and 4 student. You may try it and I'll show you the answer later. There are few ways to answer this question. Some of these may not be very rigorous. I'll show you and tell you that it may be wrong if we do some slightly modification. So we start with S equals to, so this is the S. One of the common way is that you multiply this with half. So the first term, I will write it here. So this will be 1 over 2 squared. If we add up these two equations, we will have 3 over 2s equals to, the first one still 1 over 2. The second one will be 2 over 2 squared. And this will be, and you can see that the numerator still in the form of Fibonacci sequence. Okay, so in order to get the answer, we will write this again. We compare this with whatever we have, and we see that, hey, we let off this term. And for each of these, the power here is different. So we will just need to multiply with 2. Okay, so this one will give me this. Okay, these two will give me this. These two terms will give me this, and so on and so forth. But I do not have this half, this one, so I need to minus 1. Okay, so what we have here is, this is also a S minus 1. So 3 over 2s equals to 2s minus 1. It means that half s is equals to 1, and therefore s equals to 2. It seems all right. Okay, so all this will be changed to 1.5. So this will be, instead of 2, it is 1.5. So after you add it, this will give you 1 plus 1 over 1.5. And this is 1.5. So instead of these two, it's 1.5. So everything is still okay. And this is 1.5. So right now what we have is that 1 plus 1 over 1.5, 1 over 1.5 is actually equals to 1 over 3 over 2, which is 2 over 3. Okay, so what we have here is, this is 1 plus 2 over 3. Okay, and this will give me 1 over 6, and therefore the answer s equals to 6 if I start s is this series. What is wrong? Everything looks okay. K to be the partial sum, and we will stop here. Okay, so the method is quite similar. Half sk is equal. Okay, if we add these two together, we will have 3 over 2 sk. So similarly, I write the sk as half 1 over 2. So I will actually use up the term before here, fk over 2k minus 1. In order to have that, I need to multiply with 2, and I have all the terms here. Okay, but I do not have 1, so I need to minus 1. And for this, I can combine them as 2k plus 1. This will be fk plus 1. You have two of them. And you have fk. Right? And note that these will give me fk plus 2. Okay. So what we have here is this is 2 and this is sk minus 1. Note that this will give me fk plus 2. So this itself will give me again fk plus 3. Okay. So after I manipulate it a bit, finally I have sk f1 is true, less than 1.8. Suppose this is true. What happened for fk plus 2? It is equal to fk plus fk plus 1. And this is less than 1.8k plus 1.8k plus 1. And this is equal to 1.8k. This is 1 plus 1.8. And this is less than 1.8 squared. And this is 1.8k plus 2. This will be equal to 2 if k is big enough. And we can conclude that S is equal to 2. And we are done.